Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Type c colon and hit enter to execute the command. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c colon / bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.